Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to review Module 8, Week 8. What you can expect and your responsibilities. This video is for students enrolled in my English 101 Composition W55 and English 101 Composition W68 Fall 2023 semester. Let's take a look at the course calendar. As you can see, in Week 8 you will be turning in your group presentation on social media platform research assignment, and you also have a discussion board to complete on this assignment. I'm going to emphasize that for this project you are going to submit a recorded video, preferably on Zoom. If you are not able to use Zoom, then you should be familiar with WebEx, because WebEx is what is used a lot at Harper College. So I'm going to give you the choice of using WebEx or Zoom. However, Zoom is my preference, and the instruction on how to use Zoom is posted in the Assignments and Projects tab. Go specifically to the folder Social Media Platform Research Assignment, and you would find instructions on how you can record or set up a meeting using Zoom. If you want to do it on WebEx, go for it. You're welcome to do it. Now, as I've mentioned that you are going to submit a PowerPoint presentation slide for me to grade, you are going to turn in a video on the discussion board forum for your peers to watch, to post questions, and you are going to respond to those questions according to a particular format, which I will review in a few seconds. So let's go into our course shell to review Learning Modules Week 8. So in Week 8, I go into the folder. When you click on the activities, you will see the materials for the week. But I'm going to review module discussion board prompt for Week 8. Now, this is what is going to guide you in how you should understand the way you should respond to your peers, specifically the ones assigned to your group. So every group has been assigned a group to respond to and a group to question. Okay, so if you're in group 1, it means that you are going to pose questions to group 2. If you're in group 2, it means you're going to pose questions to group 3. If you're in group 3, it means you're going to pose questions to group 4, and so on and so forth. Now, if you're going to respond, this is how you're going to respond. If you're in group 2, you're going to respond to group 1, group 3, 2, group 4, 3, group 5, 4, and group 1, 5. So that's how it's going to work. Remember, you're posing questions and you're going to respond to these questions according to the specified order below. So make sure you read through this discussion board prompt and be aware of how you what is expected from your group members and how you're going to go about responding. Now, there's a shortcut link I've posted here that which will take you to the discussion board forum. So as you can see on your screen, everything here is listed the group members in your group, so from group 1 to group 5. The instructions that I posted is also repeated here. This redundancy is for you not to miss the instructions, and this was well intentioned by design. Okay, so having said that, I want to make mention that you are to do this according to the timeline, the date given on the course calendar, which I've also stated here. I want to review one more thing about this week, because this is the only responsibility you have to work on your group presentation and to make sure you respond to your group members. This is graded activity, so if you do not respond, you are going to be penalized, because I give you points for questioning and also responding. So make sure that you're familiar with the instructions once again. I'm going to touch on briefly on week 7, because I've already released the character analysis essay assignment, and so you should have watched my review on it. And as you work on your group project, I also expect that you're working on the character analysis essay assignment. Do not just work on your group project, because that's not the only thing that you need to work on. Yes, that's the only submission you need to be concerned about this week. But once you return from week 8, at the end of week 8, we're going to move on to week 9, and you have to turn in your first draft, and you don't have so much time. Why? This is because I'm aware that Thanksgiving is coming, and I want to get you back your feedback on the first draft before you turn in your final draft. So it's by the 16th you have to turn in your first draft. So keep that in mind, and as you make time for your group project, also make time to work on your character analysis essay. You will find all that you need to know in the specific folders as I've described. You are to look at of course, the materials and readings, which will basically take you to week 8. I've got instructions on how you can understand what it takes to record on Zoom. And if you're not familiar with using Zoom to video conference, you can also check out this link on YouTube. It's a tutorial. As I've mentioned, you are welcome to use WebEx if you can. Use it to collaborate, to set up meetings, and to record. Just make sure that you make this available to your peers, for your peers to watch the video, and it's going to be posted under group presentation on social media platform research. Again, as I've mentioned, the PowerPoint is going to be submitted to me. So once you do that, you're done. I am looking forward to your various presentations, and I hope that you have a good one with your peers, and have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye-bye.